All right, hello. Here we have another model that we're going to use to learn the cardiovascular system. We're going to learn all the cardiovascular components we can off this model. We'll look at this model again when we get to digestive system and just other systems. We'll use this model several times. But what is this model? It might look somewhat familiar to those that did some CV dissections or looked around in our cadavers. This is a spleen right here. And then the pancreas, all this is the pancreas. They cut into it a little bit so you can see the ducts in the pancreas. Then you have a part of the small intestine right here. This is the duodenum. The duodenum's also been cut into right here. And you can see the part that it's attached to. It's actually, the stomach would be right here. It would be attached to the stomach. Okay, so now we know the organs that are here on this model, but what are the cardiovascular components? So that's going to be all the red and blue stuff, right? So the arteries are going to be in red, veins are in blue. Here we have an artery going to the spleen. This is the splenic artery. And that's leading to this trunk, the celiac trunk. So this is the trunk. This is actually coming off the abdominal aorta. So it'd be a trunk coming off the abdominal aorta. And it's going to have three different arteries coming off. One was the splenic artery. This one right here is the gastric artery, so it's going to the stomach. And then here we have the common hepatic artery. We're also having some veins coming down. I think this is the better side. This one right here and this one right here are your superior mesenteric artery and vein. So remember, these mesenteric vessels are going into the mesentery and they're going to start to fan out right into the mesentery that's leading to the small intestine in this case. You can see they're already starting to fan out right here. So that means this one right here is going to be your hepatic portal vein. It's leading to the liver. Let's see, am I missing any other? Oh, this is also your splenic vein leading to the spleen. And coming off it, once you guys are building your roadmap, and I'll make a video on the roadmap as well, this is your inferior mesenteric vein, and that's leading towards the mesocolon. Remember, the mesocolon is associated with the large intestine, and those vessels will be fanning out as well as it gets closer to the large intestine. And they'll be inside the mesocolon. Okay. Yeah, so study this as best as you can, and then we revisit this model later on.